The Knowledge Center vision of the stakeholders. A key mandate of the ProInvest program is to deliver a knowledge center to the private sector actors in the ACP and EU countries. The Knowledge Center includes internal activities which relate to the ICT needs of intermediary organizations, an interactive platform where intermediary organizations will be able to communicate, network, and do business. External activities of the Knowledge Center where technical assistance projects can be developed. The key components of the Knowledge Center are C4D, an advanced e-platform that includes an event management solution for members, a dedicated search engine and web crawler, a members management and networking system for intermediary organizations, a collaboration tool for intermediary organizations, donors, and companies, e-learning for members, program management for donors, and grant support for intermediary organizations and their members. The Knowledge Center includes non-technical projects that will use this platform to deliver value to the community members. These projects range from observatories, training, user community activities, technical assistance to support the adoption and the utilization. Following a needs assessment carried out by ProInvest, intermediary organizations have shared their vision of members management. A pilot project in collaboration with about 20 IOs helped understand the key innovative areas of this vision: image and information management, interaction with members and peers, communication, networking, knowledge management. The Members Management System for Intermediary Organization is a contribution of ProInvest in achieving this vision. C4D allow for searching appropriate beneficiaries for technical assistance projects. One IO, in this example, Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry, is registering itself and its members in a three-step process. First, register the user and the organization. Second, upload the members' database. And third, validate the data. The Chamber could see its members from a new perspective with consolidated indicators. The members can be selected and grouped before being printed in yellow pages. A project officer in a program is designing a project in East Africa. It is common for due diligence in technical assistance project design to assess the capacity of the target beneficiaries in the particular given area of activity. The selected intermediary organizations, also referred as IO, are bookmarked and yellow-paged. Thanks to the flexible search facilities, the project officer could easily find the sought organizations. The project officer contacts the IO for participation to the given project. It is common in designing programs and projects to review the current state of affairs on a geographical area or on a topic to be addressed. Therefore, it becomes increasingly interesting to view the activities of other programs. This will allow for targeting the overlaps of activities in order to address a wider scope or to simply avoid duplication of effort. Intelligence and insight are delivered to donors, beneficiaries, as well as experts on their activities. The approach of a social network chosen for the Knowledge Center allows for easy access to selected audience when organizing events. Among the features requested by the user community, a tailored event management system has proven to be essential. The suggested features for the event management system are event planning, audience selection, registration to event activities like workshop and presentations that are running simultaneously, matchmaking and post-event activities. Event management means success. An ACP intermediary organization is planning a matchmaking event and selects members to attend the event. Creating the event is straightforward, adding important event details like the name and the number of rooms available, the program and activities of the event. Invitations can be sent to the members of the community or to persons using their email address. An event participant can easily find the event and register to it. Upon confirmation, the future participants can subscribe to event activities. Once the organizer decides that there is enough information to open the matchmaking feature, the participants can find future partners and plan meetings with them at chosen places. At the day of the event, the participant will attend, having a personal calendar in hand with various requested appointments. After the event, participants and other members of the community can revisit the event and access documents or network. The event organizers will have the tool to evaluate the event and report on the success of the event. Number of participants, number of held meetings, reactions posted on the event. Com4Dev collaboration spaces is a great way for intermediary organizations, donors and companies to interact on areas of common interests. With collaboration spaces, an IO can facilitate communities of practice, host event activities and management of grant projects. In the before-mentioned example, Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry held a conference on 21st January. Prior to the conference, KNCCI invited participants to contribute and suggest topics to the agenda. This was done through a collaboration space set up by KNCCI. During the conference, participants were encouraged to post their thoughts and opinions on material presented. Presenters were able to review these comments after each session. After the conference, KNCCI invited the participants back to the collaboration space to evaluate the event and discuss follow-up actions. KNCCI also made presentations and handout materials available in the collaboration space. Collaboration spaces can be used for many purposes: event activities, communities of practice, interest groups, project coordination and management, and much more. Collaboration spaces are private to the members of the space. Other Com4Dev users can request to join collaboration spaces of their interest. The features of Com4Dev are being developed with a core user group, whose members range from ICT professionals to intermediary organization. The core group has described the benefits and opportunities of Com4Dev as better visibility for organization and companies, quality of information, networking for members, efficient system to manage members and events, software as a service tailored for intermediary organizations, shared information and collaboration, shared resources and hotline, common logic, community development, and harmonization of information. The core user group contribute to design, test, and validation of choices. You can find more information by contacting ProInvest. Com4Dev, the community for opportunities in development.